Hi, we're Brianne and Ben. On this episode, we will show you the ins and outs of a day well spent at Universal's Volcano Bay with our family of all ages. Here, let us introduce you. Volcano Bay Water Theme Park is a tropical-themed water park located in Universal Orlando Parks and Resorts. Volcano Bay opened up in 2017 and replaced Wet n Wild as Universal's water theme park. Okay, so now that we're inside the park, let's give you the lowdown. When you enter, each person gets a Tapu Tapu wearable waterproof band. This becomes your lifeline for the day. Volcano Bay has virtual lines, which totally changes the game on how you wait in line. Volcano Bay has more than 20 different rides throughout the park. Simply tap your Tapu Tapu band on the ride of your choice and you'll automatically be entered in line. Your Tapu Tapu will give you a countdown and notify you when it is your time to come back and ride. In the meantime, enjoy the park, float on the lazy rivers, swim and splash in the wave pool, eat or drink at the many different restaurants and bars in the park, or even shop. Keep a lookout for the rides whose signage says "Ride Now." You'll be able to jump right on those rides without losing your place in line at another attraction.